right, everybody, welcome to our Wednesday ear training class. Let's go ahead and make sure that you have the correct worksheet in front of you. It is ear training worksheet number 14. Your name should be at the top of the paper, and the date should be at the top as well. The date is the 11/19/2025. Okay, make sure that's at the top. Today is, again, some more transcribing. Parts 1 through 3, you're going to be writing the notes just to review how to write rhythms, and Part 4 will be transcribing as before. One thing that is different is when you get to Part 3, we're not going to be doing flags for our eighth note. Instead, we're going to be doing beams. So if you look at the steps, first you're going to draw basically your quarter note look. Okay, you'll draw the head, draw the stem, and you have to have at least two, and then you need to beam them together. Okay, for today's transcribing, we're only going to be beaming two eighth notes together. I know sometimes you can beam them in threes, sometimes you can beam them in fours, but there's specific rules for that. So for today, only beam them in groups of twos. So make sure you pay attention to your directions in Part 3. Pay attention how it says beam the eighth notes in groups of twos. So even though it says draw 8 eighth notes, make sure that those eighth notes are further subdivided into groups of 2. I'm going to go ahead and ask the sub to pause right here so you can complete parts 1, 2, and 3, and then we will return for part 4. All right, on to part 4. I'll read some directions to you. Transcribing. Listen to the recording of my teaching. For each question, I will play rhythm on the piano. You must write down the correct rhythm using some combination of quarter notes, quarter rest, and eighth notes. Not every exercise will have all three. And for now, do not beam your eighth. Well, actually, this time, do beam your eighth notes together. So make sure that you have that correct. Beam them in groups of 2 if you have them. And space your notes apart so they fill the entire measure. So let's start with number 1. I'll play each exercise 3 times, and we'll start this exercise at a slow tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 1 again. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, last time, number 1, double check your work. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, on to number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 2 again. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, last time, number 2. Double check your work. 1, 2, ready, go. On to number 3 now. Here we go, first playthrough. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 3, second time. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, last time, number 3, double check your work. 1, 2, ready, go. On to number 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 4 again. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 4, last time, double check your work. 1, 2, ready, go. On to number 5. Here we go. 1, 2, number 5, here we go. Ooh, that's really low. Try number 5 again. I'm going to play it up an octave because that was extremely low. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 5, check your work. Last time. 1, 2, ready, go. On to number 6. The thing I'll do different this time is instead of playing a chord, I will play different notes for the entire rhythm. Here's number 6, first time through. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 6 again. 1, 2, ready, go. Last time on number 6, double check your work. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, we're going to double check 2 of these questions before we turn it in. Let's go back to number 2. Here's what I played for number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. So tell me this, what is the very first rhythm in this measure? It should be a quarter note. And then, what do we have after that? How many eighth notes? 4 eighth notes, and in fact, those eighth notes should be beamed in groups of 2, like we talked about in the first 3 parts of this lecture. And then following those eighth notes, we have one more rhythm. It is a quarter note. So totally, your entire rhythm for number 2 is a quarter note, followed by 4 eighth notes, and then a quarter note ends that measure. Okay, I want to double check one other rhythm. Number 6. Here's number 6. 1, 2, ready, go. Tell me, what is the first rhythm in this measure? You should have said quarter note, okay? And then we have some sort of rests, probably plural. How many rests and what type of rest do we have in the middle? 2 quarter rests. So we have 1 quarter note, 2 quarter rests, and then how do we end the measure? 2 eighth notes. So the total rhythm for number 6 should say quarter note, 2 quarter rest, 2 eighth notes. Now, you should have corrected these. Those are free points for you. If you did not correct them, then I'm going to count them off against you. So that's for you to double check your work and make sure you understand where you went wrong in your thinking. Now, make sure your name is at the top of the paper. Again, the date for today was 11/19/25. You can turn that into the bottom bin of your class, respective class, and you can start your student-led rehearsal. I will see you guys later.